what's up, my fellow gods? It's me again, Liam, and today we're doing a Nerf war. This is a part 2. The part 1, you know that data issue? Yeah, that's still going on. So, yeah, sorry that one ended off so early. And now, we are going to get to our bases, because this is a family-friendly channel. This TikTok is blasphemy. TikTok is blasphemy on this channel. Okay, well, ignore them. We are doing a Nerf battle. So I am going to have my sword. I got a gun in my in the backpack of mine. And this is my main weapon. The Nerf Cyclone Shock. So yeah, everybody at their bases? Yeah. Ready? Set, fight. This is a battle royale. Everybody for everybody. Fortnite is also blasphemy.
Are you playing?
Yeah. So, yeah. I'm going to be running around with you guys. Don't mind camera difficulties.
No!
Heck? Okay. There we go. I can't cock my gun with you guys in my hand. One hit KO.
What?
It's a one hit kill.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna have to get down on the ground. Okay. Hey, you guys should be shooting each other. This is an everybody versus everybody. One hit KO. That gun has a motor. That gun requires batteries.
Hey, so it was smoking.
No, that was missed. It won't let me shoot. It's locked.
I killed you.
No, you got my arm. That doesn't count.
Yeah, it does.
I said one hit KO.
Wait, I'm trying to fix your gun.
Let him fix your gun.
Hey, I'm fixing your gun, Liam.
Okay, sorry guys.
Fixing your gun. I'm just gonna
Five.
practice me swimming without.
4. It has to dry out, man. Okay, drop it, grab your gun.
Wait, is Jared's gun
5,
battery?
4,
Is Jared's
3.
gun batteries?
no, 2, 1.
Got him!
I can't.
Oh God. Okay. I gave him a super overpowered gun. I got a super overpowered gun. So yeah. And Jared has one of the strongest guns I own. I got it 2 days ago. I gotta get to my tower.
I got a shield.
No shields.
You didn't say that.
That's playing on cheating, man.
That's not cheating. No one said you couldn't have shields.
Oh yeah. Give me third.
That was so close to the thingy, though.
Morgan, you are out of the game.
I know.
So you're not allowed to take darts hostage. Besides, your gun doesn't take my darts.
I don't care. I can eat your darts.
No!
Yeah, I can.
No.
Uh-huh.
No!
Uh-huh. I can eat your dart.
Okay. I have to sprint for it. 3, 2, and And okay, I got time. That gun only has 4 darts. Got at least 1 shot left. Crap, 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 crap. Ah, he got me. That hurt a lot. He won. Jared won the battle. Okay. Hey, ow! What the heck, man? Hey! You already won. Ow! Okay. Well, at first he got my in the arm. I was gonna try and catch him off guard, but fortunately, he got me in a fatal point. He got me right here. I would kill a man if that was a real bullet. So yeah, he won. Okay. Sorry if this video was boring or the last one was boring. I am sorry. But hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you next time.